Oh my god, this is crazy. I'm so excited.
Got lost in her eyes, found something I like, yeah, weren't even my type.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuela. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I thought I'd hop on here today and film a little makeup unboxing slash first impressions video. So basically, I'll explain what happened. Jayde posted a secret giveaway on her Instagram story and I was like, you know what, let me enter. I never ever win giveaways or anything. So luckily I was on time in viewing her story. Guess who won the giveaway? I did. I won the giveaway. I was like, what? When I saw my name, I was like, no, this is wrong. I thought she'd message me saying like, sorry, we've got the wrong winner. So obviously, before I start, I just want to say a big thank you to Jayde. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your kindness. To me, this is absolutely crazy because I've been supporting Jayde for years. She's literally my favorite YouTuber. Like, I've grown up watching her videos. I watch her makeup tutorials. She's very genuine, very sweet, and like in this industry, she's one of the people that I look up to. I just think she keeps it real all the time, which is what I love so much because not many people do that. I love you, Jayde. Anyway, let me stop rambling on and let me show you what's inside the box. Obviously, I have opened the box. I know what's inside. Yes, I was screaming. I was screaming when I opened the box. This is what arrived at my house. The giveaway box. This is what is inside the box. I will insert a clip of me actually opening the giveaway when I first received it, so you guys can get a better view of what is inside the box. It's so much makeup and skincare. Thank you so much, Jayde. I won her giveaway and she's given me £200 worth of skincare and makeup. This is so sweet. Oh my god, look. Fenty Beauty. I've never tried anything from Fenty, so I'm so excited. Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Iconic London. These amazing brands I literally can't wait to try out. Got some Huda Beauty here. Laura Mercier. I've been going on about this. I haven't tried it, but everyone said it's so good. Thank you so much. This is so sweet, honestly. Oh my god, I literally am getting emotional. And this is something that I want to do in the future for my supporters. I'm excited. Oh my god. So basically what I'm going to do is pick out a product, talk to you about it a bit, tell you what it is, and then I'm going to try and apply it onto my face. One product that I have been using already that I'm obsessed with is this Wishful Honey Balm Moisturizer. I'm obsessed with this. Oh my god. Basically, this is a jelly moisturizer. What can I say? It's amazing. It gives your face a luminous glow. It makes your pores visibly smaller. It hydrates your face and it gives you instant soothing. I love this. Obviously, I have removed the packaging already, but this is the little brush that it came with. What I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of the jelly moisturizer onto this brush. I've zoomed you guys in a little bit so you get a better angle of what I'm doing. Can you see? My face is purple. When I first tried this, I was like, oh my god, this is crazy. It's like glistening. You just need a small amount and you apply this daily, morning and evening. And a little goes a long way as well. It applies onto your skin very nicely. It's very smooth. So as you guys can see, my face is literally glowing. I love the texture of it. It's very nice, very light on your face. Like I can move my face around. What I have to do is gently rub it into my face. Oh my god, this feels amazing. Wow. Wow. My skin definitely feels more hydrated. Okay, that's enough. I feel like it's fully absorbed now. I'm never going back to anything else, ever. This is crazy. Wow. All the purple residue is gone. Look at me, I'm literally glowing. Let me stop rambling on about how my skin's glowing. So far, so good. I would recommend. This is amazing. You know what's crazy to me? This is my first ever unboxing. I love watching unboxing videos. It's like new to everyone. No one knows what they're gonna see. Let's move on. Okay, there's just so many good bits to pick from that I'm literally spoiled for choice. Should we do Fenty now? Let's do Fenty. I'm so excited. The next product we're gonna try is by the one and only Rihanna. Bad girl Riri. Listen, this is my first Fenty product. I've never tried this before. I remember everyone was going on about the Fenty lip gloss. I was like, you know what, I need to try that out. This is the Pro Filter Face Primer. I'm so excited, can you tell? Okay, let's open this one up together. Hi Rihanna, if you see this, sponsor me. If you need a model, I'm here. The packaging is so pretty. I love this. I'm just going straight in with this. This one is in the shade Soft Matte. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. Fenty Beauty. Oh, Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I've never used a primer before. What I love the neutral colors. This one says smooth pore diffusing finish, extended makeup wear. I'm gonna pump it into my hand. Obviously you have to get it going first. Ooh, I'm not sure how much is enough. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit. This is so much thicker than the first product. Okay, That's blended in really well. Okay, so I feel like this primer basically is like a base for your makeup. By packing my face, I can already tell that the makeup is gonna last longer. I don't know how to explain it, but my skin has never felt so great in my life. Wow. But so far, it's amazing. Not sticky, and it smells really nice. It smells like baby powder a little bit. So now I'm going to be moving on to my brows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. This is what it looks like, and this is in the shade Ebony. It's a brow pen. I've never even used anything of this sort before. Ooh, okay. This is what it looks like. It looks like a felt tip. What I normally use on my brows is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. I've only started using this product this year. During quarantine, so like June time, that's when I first used this product. This would have to change the game completely for me to go from this to this. So let's see. And this Goof Proof Brow Pencil looks like this. So the tip is different. It's more like a crayon. That's what it looks like, and I love this. It matches my eyebrow shade very closely. I find that normally when I go to buy brow pencils, the dark brown is like very, very dark or red. It's got like a red undertone. I don't like that. I like it looking very natural. So I'm going to be trying out the brow pen. And then I'm going to be using this spoolie here. The spoolie that I'm going to be using is this one here from Revolution. I'm just going to brush my brow hairs upwards. There's nothing on this. It's clean. And I think the best thing for me to do, fill in my brow with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil and then go in with the brow pen, because the brow pen is much darker. I'm going to just outline my brows just as I normally would using the Benefit Brow Pencil, just because I feel like the brow pen will be good in terms of filling missing spots. Okay, so this is going to be the outline. Brush this upwards like so. Oh, okay. This one literally matches my eyebrow colour. Wow. Wow, the difference. This is great. See, once you blend it out, I've just wiped off the residue from the top of this eyebrow. This is what it looks like. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. So now what I'm going to do is go in with the brow pen. I think I went in a bit too heavy-handed on this side, so if you do use this product, I recommend using it very lightly. I'm just going to fill in the gaps. So far, I would say that I definitely prefer the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen in terms of filling in the gaps, and I feel like it is a closer match to my natural brow colour. However, I feel like if you do go in too heavy-handed, it will be too harsh for your face, and I would recommend using it from your arch onwards, arch to your tail. That's my own preference also, but I like how it looks like this. However, I also feel like because this brow pen is jet black, this would be amazing as a winged eyeliner. I prefer this as an eyeliner. It just applies so much better. Wow, okay. Like so. Yeah, this is really good as an eyeliner. I 100% recommend anyone who's looking for a good black eyeliner. This is the one. These are the 3 concealers I have been gifted with. 2 from Huda Beauty, 1 is by It. Okay, so the first Huda Beauty concealer that I'm going to be trying out is the Overachiever concealer, and this one is in the shade Brownie. Ooh. And it's high coverage creamy concealer. And this second concealer from Huda Beauty is in the shade Hazelnut. Ooh, exciting. Then this concealer here is by It Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Deep Rich, Warm Deep. And this one here is full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. Ooh, okay. Look at the packaging. It looks like lip gloss. Shall I just... This is Hazelnut. This is Brownie. Wow. The pigmentation though. But I think definitely Brownie would be good as a contour. And then Hazelnut, I'm going to try it as a concealer. So we've got 3 different shades here. This one here is Brownie. This one here is Hazelnut. And this one here is It Cosmetics. I think the Brownie one would be good as contour. This one here matches closely to my skin. This one here. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, this applies so nicely. Wow. Wow. They said deep rich and they weren't lying, you know. Wow. Forget about the shade and everything. Obviously, I'll have to use a lighter shade. I'm aware of that. I'm just basically trying to see what the product's like on my eyebrows. But in terms of texture and application, I think I prefer It Cosmetics. I feel like Huda Beauty has dried up very quickly. So the next product, I've used this product already and I am obsessed. This has changed my life. Flashback who? Flashback or where? You can guess what it is. It is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I am obsessed. This is amazing. And this one here is in the shade medium deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the full coverage concealer that I normally use. This one here is a Pro Base concealer from MUA, and I'm just going to apply it under one eye so you guys can see what it looks like. Hyaluronic Fix by Revolution. This looks so weird. I have no makeup on, just eyeliner, and I'm putting concealer on. Okay, so now we're going to test out the powder. Here's Laura. Say hi, Laura. Hi, Laura. We don't want flashback. We're trying to avoid flashback at all costs. Okay, so I'm going to do a little video so you guys can see closely what it looks like. This is the Laura Mercier powder. Okay, so now I'm going to be using flash. So no edit, no filter, nothing. I'll put my mirror here so I can see. Obviously, it looks lighter than the rest of my face because I haven't put powder anywhere else, but amazing. Wow, changed the game. This is the last face product. Okay, so this is the Kiko Milano Lost in Amalfi Jelly Highlighter. I've never used jelly highlighter before. I didn't even know that was a thing. This one is in the shade Golden Cliff. Okay. You know what? I think I'd be really good at like naming makeup products. So like if I was to ever have my own makeup brand, all the eyeliners, everything, eyeshadows would have sick names. Is it actually jelly though? Oh my god. I don't want to tip it over. It's really liquidy. Can you see? That's more than enough even. This is amazing. Wow. Ooh, okay, I love this. Oh my god, look at that glare. Look at that glare. You see the apple of my cheek is glowing? I definitely prefer the jelly highlighter to powdered highlighter. That's what it is. This one's warmer than this one. This one's like yellow. This one's like bronze. Next product we're going to be trying out is the Pixie by Petra eyeshadow palette. This one's called Rosette Ray. Look at the colours. This is amazing. Wow. This one's French Rose. This one's Ice. This one's Glow. Wine. Mocha. Plum. Berry. Mushroom. Black Tulip. Okay, so now we're moving on to my favourite thing ever in the whole world. Lip glosses and lipsticks. I'm so excited to try out these lip products. One of my best friends got me Kiko Milano lip products I haven't tested out, so I threw them in here, and then the rest I got in the giveaway that we're gonna be trying. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys what lip liners I'm gonna be using. For my everyday lip gloss look that I normally do, I go in with the NYX Club Hopper. I love this so much. Another pencil that I like to use is the eyeliner pencil in Rich Brown. This is from MUA. This is a brow pencil, I just use it as lip liner. It does the job. Let me close my eyes and do a random selection. A lucky dip. Okay. This one's Kiko, I can tell. No, it's Charlotte Tilbury. What the hell? That is crazy, I could just tell by the packaging. This is a matte lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. The packaging is so cute, and it's in the shade Pillow Talk. I've never used anything by Charlotte Tilbury, but all things I've heard are amazing. Oh my god, wow. Look at that. Oh my god, this is amazing. And then she's got the CT initials there for Charlotte Tilbury. You go, girl. Wow. This is my favourite packaging. This smells so good. This smells like chocolate. I like that. What I normally do is go over it with lip gloss. So that's what we're going to do. Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss. This is Urban Decay. Ooh, nice. This smells like peppermint. Ooh, this is a nice brown. This is what the lip gloss looks like on top of lipstick. Yeah, this is cute. I like this lip gloss. Very nice combo. Let me try the lip gloss on its own just so I can see what it's about. Ooh, very nice. I like the colour. Wow, this is a really good lip gloss. A very natural nudish brown. Smashbox Halo lip gloss. This one here. Oh my god, wow. This is what it looks like. Pretty, really nice. So this lip gloss is in the shade Bronze. This is going to be interesting. I think it's going to be a bit at first. Infinity Long Wear Matte Lip Cream. Wow, the packaging. This is so cute. It's literally matte packaging. That's so smart. Because it's a matte lip cream. Ah, makes sense, makes sense. This one is in the shade Infinity Matte Flirt. So I love the packaging. The packaging is amazing. Okay, so no, this is my favorite packaging. No, okay, this one is Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. This is nice. It's like a nice nudie colour. I think this with a smoky eye would look amazing. I love this. It dries quickly. It's non-sticky like it said. I'm going to apply some of the Urban Decay High Shine Lip Gloss on top of this. Look at that. Amazing. I feel like the Il Makiage lip cream, they know what they're doing. This is amazing. The shade is beautiful. And the Urban Decay lip gloss, you get those two together. Perfect brown glossy lip. This is Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Comfort Matte. Oh my god, another matte lipstick. Amazing. It's a smart lipstick and it's in the shade 435, I'm guessing. Let's see. This is the packaging, really cute. Ooh, this one's like a dark red. This is a really nice red. It's like in between. It's not too dark, but it's not too bright. This one is the 3D Hydra Lip Gloss, which I've tried before, but this one's in the shade 21, which I haven't tried before. This is going to be a really nice colour. The packaging is so cute. I love the packaging. I love how it's like mirrored as well. I like this one. It's a nice pinkish colour. Like I feel like normally to achieve this look, I'd have to put on lipstick and then put on lip gloss. This is just a perfect combination. It's a really nice tint. So that is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to film. Please let me know in the comments down below what other videos you'd like to see. I know I've been gone for ages, but I'm back now, I promise. And I'm trying my best to just bang out as much content as I can because I really do enjoy what I do. Thank you for watching. You know what to do already. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, let me know what your favourite lip product was. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Let's not do that. Fini, homogène et toi, tenue longue durée. Just brushing my eyebrow hairs upwards because when my eyebrows aren't the way I want them to be, it really annoys me. And yeah, this is a toothbrush. It's clean. Well, it's got gel on it. I use it on my baby hairs. Wow, Manuela. Alright. Yeah. Don't be alarmed if you've never seen this. It's nothing odd. And the Urban Decay, and the how am I going to do this? Shall I do my makeup as I normally would, or I didn't think this through. I ain't gonna lie. Focus. I feel like this is great for filling in gaps. Yeah, this is amazing. Oh, and now oops. Hi. This is so weird. The shade Infinity. Oh, is a perfect dark brown.